Tucson isn't just about being the best Mexican food in the United States. We are one of the best overall food cities out there. Since we have such an amazing food culture, we must have some amazing pastries from our locally owned bakeries, right? From delicious donuts to the finest artisan creations, you will more than meet your pastry desires here in Tucson. And you'll want to stick around until the end of this video for the Old Pueblo's most recent James Beard Award winning chef and bakery. Hey everyone, it's Kimberly, your go-to real estate agent in Tucson, Arizona, and today we are talking about some of Tucson's best bakeries. While you're here, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe buttons to follow along with Tucson news and learn more about things to do and see and know about this city, my hometown. And if you know anyone interested in purchasing or selling a Tucson home, I would love to assist. All my contact information is in the description below each video on this channel. We have over 700 videos about Tucson and real estate on this channel, so explore the rest after this one. Post the name of your favorite Tucson bakery in the comment section below. I love bakeries and I will check it out as quickly as I can. I know I would get some very offensive emails if I did not mention La Estrella Bakery first and foremost. La Estrella has been serving authentic Mexican pastries since 1986. This cherished establishment, family owned and operated, is renowned for its delightful pan dulce, characterized by bread and rolls that transport you to Mexico with each mouth-watering taste. If you live in Tucson and haven't stopped in Beyond Bread for brunch or lunch at some time, I would encourage you to run, not walk, to your nearest location. Beyond Bread opened its first location in 1998 and has since expanded, most recently up onto Mount Lemon Lodge in Summer Haven on Mount Lemon. And if you don't know about the Mount Lemon Lodge, we have a video on that too. Beyond Bread provides a diverse selection of artisanal breads, tasty sandwiches, homemade soups, and indulgent pastries, all within a welcoming and hospitable setting. These sandwiches are good, but what makes them great is the fresh and delicious bread that is prepared in-house. These really are some of the best sandwiches in Tucson. Beyond Bread has a little secret of its own. Behind the Speedway location is the Back Dough, where you can buy delicious pies and delectable pastries. Discover Nadine's Bakery, serving up delightful baked goods since 1979. Every cake, pastry, and loaf of bread is meticulously prepared using time-honored recipes and techniques, ensuring each bite is a delightful experience. Whether you crave a classic chocolate cake, a delicious fruit tart, or a hearty sourdough loaf, there is something to satisfy every palate. Their custom cakes are a hit, offering personalized flavors, fillings, and designs perfect for weddings and birthdays. For a breakfast treat, the biscuits here are amazing and come in many varieties. The chocolate almond is a must-get. La Baguette Parisienne Bakery in Tucson, Arizona, where French culinary tradition meets desert charm. The menu showcases a diverse range of pastries, all made with premium ingredients and a mastery of the pastry arts. We recommend you try the pastries like the danishes, bear claws, cakes, and cookies. They also make a wonderful cannoli. Amy's Doughnuts, a beloved staple in Tucson, where the air carries a perpetual sweetness from the aroma of freshly baked dough and sugar. For the local community, Amy's Doughnuts has been a cherished destination, offering a delightful assortment of handcrafted donuts, each created with care and a dash of whimsy. Their dough is prepared from scratch daily, with an impressive selection of approximately 120 flavors, spanning from classics like glazed to imaginative and playful creations. Amy's caters to every taste bud. Amy's Doughnuts thrives on innovation. There's always something fresh to discover at Amy's. Amy's Doughnuts isn't just a place to grab a treat, it's an experience. This place is full of bright colors and the best assortment of donuts you will find in this city. I promise once you come here, you will be back because there's always another donut to try. The final and perhaps most famous bakery on our list is none other than Barrio Bread. Barrio Bread, a culinary gem in Tucson, Arizona, where artisanal mastery meets community engagement and sustainable principles. Founded by the acclaimed baker Don Huera, winner of the prestigious prestigious James Beard Award, Barrio bread transcends the traditional bakery concept, embodying a profound commitment to locally sourced heritage grains. Dive into the heart of this bakery's ethos, where each loaf represents a harmonious fusion of tradition, innovation, and deep-rooted connection to the region. You have to try this place, but don't take my word for it. Here's a message from the owner himself.
Hey, welcome to Barrio Bread. This is Don Guerra, owner, founder, Barrio Bread, Barrio Grains. And you're in the house of bread right here. French technique sourdough leaven bread made with Arizona grains. Crispy outside, tender inside, no sugars or oils. The result of the long fermentation with sourdough is a low glycemic bread, low gluten bread, tasty, art and science right here.
I hope you've learned a little bit about some of Tucson's best bakeries. When you are ready to purchase or sell a home here in the Tucson area, I'd love to help you out. All my contact information is in the description below each video on this channel. There are hundreds of videos on this channel about things to do and see and know about this city, my hometown, so make sure you're exploring the rest of this channel. Comment below with your favorite bakery item in Tucson, Arizona, and please consider showing the channel some love by liking and subscribing on your way out the door. I really appreciate you hanging out with me today, and I will see you in the next Tucson video.